Welcome back, everybody. I have something kind of exciting to show you, I think. It is unfortunately at the Dollar Tree and not this cool Monster Golf store next door. I'll have to check that out sometime. But what we've really come to look at today is this shelf here. These are Halloween inflatables at the Dollar Tree. Now, if you're not aware, the Dollar Tree is starting to sell merchandise in other denominations like $3 and $5. And here we have a number of these 3-foot inflatables for $5. You've got skulls and pumpkins and so forth. I actually purchased one of these. Stay tuned to the end of the video to see which one I purchased, and we will be doing a review of that product coming up pretty soon. But also, they have a number of other things to look at, starting with these lights, a little bit of an upgrade from the cheap little dollar string lights that they used to sell. Looks like they're going to have a spell book here. This one unfortunately is broken, but I think they're kind of moving toward more of the Big Lots type merchandise. It's just a little bit higher quality than what we've seen before at the Dollar Tree. Now look at these. These are like little miniatures that you can buy. Kind of like the stuff that you see at Michael's. You know, I noticed on our previous walkthrough they had stickers, like scrapbooking stickers and so forth, that I thought was kind of good value in comparison to those sort of crafting stores. Anyway, moving on, we've got some other merchandise here. Nice big welcome signs we just saw. Don't know what this witch and pumpkin thing are. They've got some odd looking faces. And here we have a sandwich board sign and some crafty Happy Halloween sort of wall hangings, I guess. You could probably stick some lighting in there, it looks like, make it glow. Anyway, we've got some upgraded skeletons as well. A vulture here, a dog, looks like there's an owl there in the background as well. And if you didn't notice it before, those signs that said welcome, there's also a nice Day of the Dead sugar skull motif one. And here we have some more sugar skulls on lanterns. I think Day of the Dead is going to be pretty popular this year. All right. They also have a nice looking bleeding candle. I had to test this as well one of these days to see how well it actually bleeds, because $5 is a pretty good value. Here we've got a flame glow jack-o'-lantern, and it actually does kind of look like a flame. So for $5, I'm actually kind of impressed with the Dollar Tree this year. They had pretty good merchandise in our previous walkthrough in the general dollar store, or the dollar priced merchandise. The $3 and $5 is equally impressing me. I kind of like the new offerings, the new selections, the new variety. Can't wait to see what else is going to pop up. Back here in the dollar section, we do have some light up roses. I don't think we've seen light up roses before. I'm not sure what is really Halloween about that, except the cellophane, which has that spider motif on it. But that should be interesting. We ought to try one of those too. All right. In the general fall decor, this really makes me think of like Big Lots style merchandise, and it's got a good price. And if you're crafty, here's some pumpkins, $3, not bad. And there's a nice variety of colors. They also have, it looks like, a variety of animal products if you have a woodsy themed fall decor planned. And of course, there are always the Scarecrows. Over here on the miniature size sandwich boards, I guess the other ones are miniature too, but these are just a little bit smaller as well. Still $5 though. I do like the variety of the pumpkins and so forth. Happy fall. We're thankful for that coming up. Now, as I said, I did purchase one of these inflatables, and this is it. I think it will also go with my Day of the Dead theme. In fact, I've actually wanted an inflatable cat. So this is going to work perfectly. We will test it in an upcoming video very soon. Stay tuned for that. Until then, thanks for watching. Take care, stay safe, and happy haunting.